Now I will use a chair for some abs workout. Please lie down on your back. Put your legs on the chair. We will do abdominal crunches. Very easy. Right now you don't need to hold your legs because you have a chair. Your hands behind your head. Lift the head up. Your elbows not too wide, not too close. It's like comfortable, like holding your head. And I would like that you don't cross your fingers. Keep it wide and relax your head and your hands. You feel in your hands how heavy your head is. Okay, and now we will use upper abs to lift the upper body up. Your lower back stays on the floor. You're using your upper abs to lift your chest up. Your shoulder blades up to the floor. And again, lower down. Don't go all the way down. Just touching your shoulder blades. And again, let's go. Crunch it. Take it down. Watch your chin. Your chin is slightly up. Not to your chest. No. Chin is slightly up. You're using your upper abs to lift up your shoulder blades, your shoulders. And keep going just like this. And your eyes look over your knees. Not up to the ceiling, but over your knees like 45 degrees. Something like that. And let's keep going just like that. Don't pull your neck. You're holding with your hands your head. And you're lifting your upper body up and down. Up and down. We will do 2 more times. You should right now feel a little bit your upper abs. Do you? Now we will use one hand, side crunch. Trying to reach the chair here and then other side. And just like that. Side crunch. Side crunch, and trying to reach the chair one leg. Other hand supports your head. Your neck should not be tired because you are using your arm. And keeping just like that. 2 more times. Trying to reach the chair. Good. Now, we will go with the arm to opposite knee. Other elbow stays on the floor and switch. And again, I'm reaching my knee. This elbow touching the ground. Shoulder is down, but this shoulder is up and you're reaching. And let's go. Reach over. Reach over. This is nice twist. You want to reach over that knee. Try your best. And reach over. Keep going. A little bit more. Reach over that knee. Last 4. 3, 2, and 1. Now you're having a little break. Stretch those abs. Ooh, feels good. Okay, now from here, I would like that you keep your hands under your hips just a little bit. And from this position, you are going to open up the legs and trying to touch by side, seat, floor, and lift. Be sure that there is enough room. And go. One leg stays up, and other leg goes down. If you need to, of course, you can slightly bend your knees if you need to. But I would like that you keep your legs as straight you can and lower that one leg down, lift it up, and other leg down and lift it up. And just like that. Because the chair is on your way, that's what I want, then you are kind of a little bit opening up and lift. And again, open and lift. Take it down and lift. Take it down and lift. And one more time, each side. Last one. And you are done with this exercise. Place your feet on the chair chair, and we will gonna stretch those hip flexors. Stretching your abs and hip flexors, your quadriceps, push those hips up, and hold right there. Okay, and take it down. Nice. Now put your feet down, and with your arms, see what I'm doing? I'm using my abs to reach the chair. My lower back still stays on the floor, but I'm lifting my shoulder blades up. Let's try to reach. 4, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more time, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now coming all the way up. Woo. Nice. And now you will just place your hands on the chair and relax.